Okay, so now in this second video we're gonna come and create a new project. It's gonna be the main application. So create this one, package name uh, let's finish. So in the first screen you're gonna need a horizontal arrangement. It's gonna be with background color indigo. We're gonna have two buttons here and a space between them, general space. So the first button here is the left arrow, and this one here is the right arrow. I'm gonna upload two images here. So the arrow left and the arrow right. So this button here, the image is gonna be the arrow right, and this one arrow left. No text between them, no text here, and no text here. So the space here I'm gonna put few parents. These two buttons here are to access the new lists. The first list here is gonna be the list 1. If you click here, it's gonna go to the next list. It's gonna be the list 2. So now what we need here is go on Google, and we need to put 11 firebase database. Okay, now we have 11 firebase database. The first one is gonna be the list, so it's gonna grab the list information, and the other ones are gonna be product 1 to product 10. So each Firebase database is gonna retrieve the information from the ID that come from the list. So now I'm gonna rename it this to the product 10. So now we need to go here to access the information we need. So the first one, project bucket, is gonna be lists. So come here, project bucket lists, and the other ones are project bucket menu. So I'm gonna set here as a menu to the product 10. So after renaming the project bucket, now we need to fill the fields with the two Firebase information we need. So this one here, always check if there is a space in the beginning or in the end. So let's put here. And the last is the Firebase token. So check if there is a space in the end or in the beginning, and you just complete. Okay, now in the blocks part, when it's back pressed, we're gonna close the application. Okay, now the first thing we need is screen 1, initialize, we're gonna go and grab the list, so the firebase with the name list, get value, and the first tag is gonna be list1, and the value, if the tag is not there, is a empty list. Okay, so after that we're gonna go and grab the got value event from the list, and here you're gonna need 10 global variables. You're gonna rename them as lists, so it's list 1 to list 10, and I'm gonna grab the create shape list block and put in all of these variables. Okay, now here we're gonna have to use control. We're gonna have an else if and an else. This part here we're gonna do after. What we need to do now is create a new procedure. I'm gonna call it products positions. So this thing here you're gonna rename it as list. So in here you're gonna have to grab the product one get value, and we need to add to the product 10, so product 2, product 3 to the 10. Okay, now we have product 1 to product 10 get value. We're gonna have to grab this block from lists, select list item in list index, so it's gonna be on tag. Now this variable here is gonna be the list, and the index for product 1 is number 1. In the value, if tag not there, we're gonna grab a create empty list. So what we need here is to create another if statement. Here we're gonna have 10 else ifs, so 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here we're gonna make we're gonna check if the list is correct. So I'm gonna grab the tag and duplicate this thing here, list 1. So get value of the list 1 is gonna be a list of IDs. So if the tag that's coming from here is equal to list 1, I'm gonna grab this first variable here, list 1, and the value is gonna be the list of IDs of the list 1. After that, you're gonna grab the procedure products position and grab the list 1 that now has the list of IDs of the first screen. Now I have to complete this thing here. I'm gonna copy this one here. The second list of ID is gonna be the list 2. Here, list 3 to the list 10. So now we have all the tags equal to lists here. So now variable. This second one here is the global list 2. It's gonna grab the list of IDs from the list 2 and is equal to value, and the products position, and here list 2 as well. So copy this. This one is the list 3. This one is list 4. Okay, now here we need to complete this is the procedure products position, and here is list 3, here is list 4, lists 5, list 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. This one is the list 10. Now to complete the procedure here, just copy this create temp list to all of the get values. With all the create temp lists, now we're gonna duplicate the select list item, and the index here is gonna be 2, is 3 till the number 10. So now to explain what's happening in the blocks part, when the screen is initialized, we're gonna go and grab the list 1 of IDs. So it's always list 1. So the list 1, when the tag is equal to list 1, I'm gonna grab the value that is the list of IDs that we recorded in the admin application. So for example, when we save the list 1 there, we save a list of 1 to number 10. Okay, so now this list here is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 till 10. Now we're gonna go in procedures. In procedures, the list 1 is this variable here, and we're gonna select the item. So to grab the first item, we're gonna put index 1. So the index 1 is this one here. Index 2 is this one here. So when we select, what we're doing here is selecting the number 1 as the tag of the get value product 1. And the product 2 is gonna be the number 2, I did 2, and till the product 10. So for this video is this. I'm gonna try to make short videos, but still there is a lot of blocks still to make this application work. So thank you, and goodbye.